The Concept One isn't just a OnePlus project but instead a continuation of its work with McLaren, and this phone has the strongest influence from the carmaker yet. The exact same material you'll find on the interiors of McLaren's cars, with tidy accent stitching all along its unique orangish color McLaren calls papaya, is stunning. The feeling is particularly unique because it's bifurcated by a sheet of glass down the middle, which when combined with the metal sides provides a mix of textures that's really pleasing. OnePlus has partnered with the company to bring about the OnePlus Concept One smartphone. This is quite apparent when we look at the rear of device, which has the OnePlus X McLaren branding sitting proudly underneath the OnePlus logo. Switching between opaque and transparent states takes only 0.7 seconds. Furthermore, the electrochromic glass doubles as an ND filter for the cameras, which levels the shadows and highlights to capture more detail in the photographs. OnePlus Concept One smartphone a concept, and the company has not said anything about making the device commercial. OnePlus has had a history of excluding any feature on its devices if the cost-benefits ratio is not justified. Nevertheless, it is a pretty unique concept in itself, and we can only hope that it sees the light of the day someday in the future. McLaren's 720 Spider sports car, which features a retractable hard top with the same kind of electrochromic material that can be switched between tinted and transparent states. Phone also features a leather panel on the back in McLaren's signature papaya orange shade. OnePlus hasn't revealed any details about specifications or when/if it plans to launch this device anytime soon. Electrochromic glass on the OnePlus Concept One contains organic particles which react to current shift to the desired state. Besides this party trick, it also serves a practical purpose.